or as the church lady says, ta-ta for now, or whatever she says.
Cheese.
Cheese. This is moving pictures. You can say whatever you want, and I'm going to get your whole picture on here.
Whole picture?
Yeah, the whole picture is going to be on here, because this is for posterity. Mm-hmm. What else can you say for the camera?
Mess?
Yeah, you got a big mess over there. Who's eating her breakfast today on this New Year's Eve day? Who is it? Who's that beautiful little girl I'm looking at? Who is that? Is that Lisa? How do I know that's Lisa?
A baby.
A baby? Can you tell me your ABCs now?
No.
Go ahead, you can tell me your ABCs now. Because who's going to be 2 years old a week from tomorrow? 2 years old. Who's going to be 2 years old?
Who's it else?
Yeah, 2 years old. That's going to be you, 2 years.
No, please thank you.
What do you want?
Please thank you.
Thank you for what? What would you like?
Like food to that.
Do you want more rice checks?
Or the more like
Would you like more rice checks?
Mm-hmm.
You would? Okay, hold on a second. I'll get you more rice checks, okay? Okay. Now that you have more rice checks, what do you have to say for yourself? You're welcome. Who's so beautiful there just eating her rice checks?
Mama's sleeping.
Right, Mama's sleepy time.
Mama.
Mama's not feeling well. She's got a cold.
Hope.
Yeah, she's got a cold. She's not feeling well.
Mama's sleeping.
Yes, she is. But Lisa's wide awake, and she knows her ABCs, don't you?
Mama's sleeping.
Right. Can you tell me those numbers in front of you? Can you tell me what those numbers are in front of you? What is that?
It's 1, 2 crayons. 2 crayons. 1, 2, 3. They're black.
Okay, what else? What other colors do you see?
The blue packaging.
Which one is the blue? Point to the blue one for me.
The black.
That's the black. What else do you see?
Has 2 crayons back.
That's green.
Green.
Right. What numbers do you see in front of you? What numbers can you tell me that are there?
Purple.
Where's purple? Where?
It's purple.
No, that's yellow. Oh, that's brown. What are the numbers?
It's the black you got.
Okay, you got the black one, all right. That's for sure. You got the black one. Count your numbers for me, sweetheart.
Really?
Can you count your numbers?
I read that.
So go ahead, read it. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, what else you want to tell me?
From the pear set.
Yeah. What else? What else do you see in there?
It's a big blanket.
1, 2, 3. What else do you see?
It's a brown.
Okay, well that's right. That's a brown one. What else do you see?
What's that?
That's red.
What's that?
Yellow.
What's that?
Which one? Yellow.
What's that?
Looks like blue from here.
What's that?
You tell me. What is it?
The
What is it?
the blue pancake is that.
Which one is blue?
The blue right there.
No, that's red.
It's red.
Yes.
Red.
Red. Uh-huh.
Red.
Right.
Red. Red.
Red.
Red.
Point out the yellow one to me. Which one is the yellow one? Yellow.
The other.
No, that's brown. Where's the yellow one? You see the yellow one?
Also see the other one. Choo-choo train.
Choo-choo train. Right. How many choo-choo train are there?
The bike.
Right. How many bikes are there?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bears.
Well, there's 3 bears. 3 bears.
The 3 bears.
Yeah.
Put ow. Ow. Ow.
L? Jeez, who's got a beautiful face? Who's got a beautiful face? Is that Lisa?
Lisa.
Lisa. How old are you going to be?
You're old.
Old, huh? Okay, let's go over our alphabet. A, B... What's next?
No ABC.
Don't you want to tell me your ABCs?
No.
This is for the camera, though. This is so that I can show everybody how smart you are.
Lisa.
Lisa, very good. Now, what else can you tell me?
Like that you like.
Is that good? Is that good? What are you holding, Lisa? What is that?
Spoon.
A spoon, right. And what do you do with the spoon? You eat your breakfast with a spoon, don't you? Very good. Who's got a beautiful face? Who is that pretty girl? Who is that?
Sisters?
Hmm?
There's in the hole.
Hmm?
There's an ocean.
Hmm.
What is the home? Say double.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G.
H, I, J, K, M, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z,
Yay, Lisa, very good, very good.
A, B, C, D, F, G, H, I, J, K, M, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z,
Very good, Lisa, very good.
A, B, C, D,
E,
F,
F, G, E, F, G.
the check that.
That's what it is, okay.
Penguin.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G.
A, B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, M,
L. What happened to L? L.
U, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z,
Yay, Lisa!
A, B, C, D, F,
E. E. What happened to E, F, G?
R, J, K, M, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z,
Yay, Lisa!
A, B, C, D, F, G.
What happened to E, F, G?
E, B, the chicks right there.
Right there, huh?
The chicks, the ball.
Mm-hmm. Who is it? Who is that little girl? I see her. Who is it? Who's being silly? Can you count the numbers in front of you, Lisa? Can you count all those numbers in front of you? How many numbers do you see? What are those?
It's the cat.
What do you see?
The balls.
Balls. How many balls are there?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 balls.
No, there's more than 6. That looks like 11 to me. See the number 11? How many hearts are there? How many hearts? Hearts. Those are balls. Go over to 12. 12 is hearts.
What's that?
That's 12. Oh, wait. What are you looking at? Oh, that's a... What are you looking at?
It's a football set. It's very comfortable. Go sleep, boy.
You getting sleepy time already?
No.
Lisa, what are you doing? You gonna pour, what kind of milk is that? What kind of milk is that, sweetheart? What kind of milk do you have there? What's wrong? Oh, you got a couple cups there. Yeah, it is a cat. What does a cat say?
Meow.
What does a dog say?
Refresh.
What does a rooster say?
Cock-a-doodle.
Cock-a-doodle-doo. What does a cow say? Moo. What does a... What else do we have to say? You can... What does a sheep say? What? Very good. How come you're so smart? Huh? How come you're so smart? How old are you today? Lisa, how old are you today? Lisa's toys over here. Our beautiful